Are you looking for a few different ways to start making money online? Then this video is going to help you out. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a few different methods that you can use to start making money online. Now, I know the current situation that's going on right now, a lot of people are out of work and they're not sure when they're going to be able to return to work so they can start earning money. And basically, if you're living in the United States, you're probably depending on unemployment, which just ran out recently, or you're waiting on the next stimulus check, which is probably going to be coming next month, which is going to be in maybe late August. But the majority of people who are out of work right now, they can't be sitting around waiting for the government to write them a check. So that's why I'm making this video, to share a few different methods that you can use to start making money online. Now, before I go into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online or entrepreneurship, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that mumbo jumbo out of the way, let me just jump right into this video. So the first method that I would recommend is freelancing. So this is basically where you're providing digital services and you're getting paid in exchange for that. So any type of service that you know how to provide, whether it's graphic design, video editing, translation services, creating logos, anything that you can think of that you can provide as a service, this is a great way to make money online. Now, the website that I would recommend for you to sign up for is called Fiverr.com. Now, this is probably the most popular freelancing website out there because a lot of people use this website. So basically, the way that it works is if you need something like a service provided for you, you just go to Fiverr, you would create an account, you would sign up, and then you just type in any type of service that you're looking for. And basically, you're going to see a list of people who are providing that specific service. But you, as the freelancer, you're going to sign up as a freelancer. So you're going to list the service that you're going to be providing, and whenever somebody contacts you to provide that service, you're going to provide it, and then you're going to get paid once the job is completed. Now, it's pretty easy to sign up with Fiverr. It's just as simple as creating an account and signing up as a freelancer. Now, most people might have the excuse like, I don't know how to create any type of or provide any type of freelancing service. If you're stuck at home, there's probably no excuse for you not to learn something new. You have the internet. That's probably the reason why you're watching this video, because you're bored, you need extra money. So why not put that extra time that you have to good use and learn a new skill? You can watch YouTube and learn a bunch of different skills. The people who need freelancing services for them, they're usually the people who don't know how to do the service themselves, or they just don't have the time or the patience to do it. So this is an opportunity where you can just make money by providing a service for somebody who just doesn't have the time, or they don't want to take the time to learn it. Now, the second method that I would recommend to make money online is going to be getting paid to test out video games. So basically, you're getting paid to play video games. I know it might sound too good to be true, but there is a website or multiple websites out there that do pay you to test out different video games. And one website that does pay you to play video games is called PlayTestCloud. So basically, you're going to sign up to become a tester, and I believe they have you take a test before you're able to test out other video games where you can actually start making money. So they kind of have like a screening process for you to go through before you start playing video games in order to start getting paid for them. Now, I'll leave links for all of these websites in the description below if you guys want to check them out for yourself. Now, the next method is going to be similar to getting paid to test video games, but you're going to be testing out websites. So this method, you're just going to go to different websites, you're going to complete a set of actions, and then you're going to give your thoughts about it, and then you're going to get paid for it. So one website that you can use to get paid by testing out other websites is called UserTesting. Now, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to go to this website, you're going to create an account, and then you're just going to sign up as a tester. They do have a qualification test for you to go through to make sure that you're going to be honestly giving your honest feedback when it comes to testing out different websites. They're going to have you complete a set of actions, and then you're going to have to speak your thoughts out loud in English. So basically, the requirements in order for you to become a tester, you need to have a computer with internet access, obviously. You need to be able to speak your thoughts out loud in English, and you need to be 18 years or older. And they have this website available in a bunch of different countries. Now, these two websites that I just mentioned, they're not going to replace a full-time income. They're just a couple of side hustles that you can do to start making some extra money if you're going to be stuck at home. Now, if you want to learn a method that can earn you a full-time income, then I would highly recommend going with affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting other people's products online and you're given a specific link, which is going to be your affiliate link. So anytime somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase whatever product that you're promoting, then you're going to get credit for the sale. Now, it's a pretty simple concept, but there's a lot more to it than that when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing. I mean, for example, you first have to pick a niche that you want to focus on. You're going to have to pick a good product to offer people that's related to that niche. And then you're going to have to get traffic to your offer. And if you want more information on how to get started with affiliate marketing, if you're a beginner, I have a playlist that I created a little while ago to walk you through step by step if that's something that you want to check out. But if you're looking for a website that you can get started with affiliate marketing pretty quick, I would recommend going with ClickBank. It's as simple as signing up with your own account, and then you're going to have a wide category of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. Now, when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing, you can get started for free, but if you want to speed up the results, then I would recommend having a budget to spend on advertising. You're going to see results a lot quicker, and this gives you a better idea of what products are working versus the products that aren't really working so well. Well, that's basically the different methods that I wanted to talk about in this video on how you can start making money from home. Now, if you're somebody who's serious about getting started with your own online business, then check out the top link in the description of this video for my personal recommendation. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.